In St. James, worries at the John Rollins Success Primary School about crooked utility poles and JPS high-tension wires running across the compound. The school's principal says she has made numerous reports of the JPS, but help has not been forthcoming. TVJ's Kalisha Williams reports.
Just moments before the first bell at the John Rollins Success Primary School in St. James on Friday, students are slowly making a trek to the compound. But above them, danger lurks. Rotten utility poles, some on the verge of collapsing, barely hold high-tension wires running across the schoolyard. It's a disaster waiting to happen.
The children are living in fear. They come here, parents are in fear. Because at any time, I'm not just concerned about the poles falling down, but during that process, the high tension wires, as you look over there, they are passing almost over the school. And so we can be electrocuted.
The school's principal, Jennifer Miller Wisdom, told the TVJ News that several letters were written to the Jamaica Public Service Company to address the problem.
They told us that it's going to be too costly. And to this date, from 2004, the high tension wires are still running over the playing field. As a result, from 2004, the school has been constructed. We have not been able to use the playing field.
She points out that since then, the company has been contacted repeatedly, but the situation is yet to be resolved. Councillor for the Rose Hall Division of the St. James Municipal Corporation, Anthony Murray, is calling on the JPS to act. The school is located in his division.
We're asking you, please, assist the school. This high-tension wire, it's very dangerous. It's extremely dangerous. If you look at it, it's hanging right at the entrance of the school. We don't want something to happen for you to react. We want you to be proactive in getting this problem resolved.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.